Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to start the training of manual testing. So introduction to software testing. Introduction to IT software industry. IT software industry is one of the huge industry where millions of people are working across the world, as you know. It has a vast demand of experts in different technologies. Okay. And what are the different technologies are like development. In development, Java, .NET, Cbel, PeopleSoft, mainframe, SAP, etc. In testing, manual testing and automation testing. Database means like Oracle, SQL Server, etc. These are the technologies. Beside this, AI and ChatGPT technologies are also booming a lot nowadays. So there is much demand in the software IT field. There are much career opportunities in software IT field. So introduction to software testing. Software testing is a process of evaluating and verifying that a software application or system functions as expected. It involves the execution of software components to identify defects, ensure compliance with specified requirements, and improve the quality, reliability, and usability of the product. So, software testing is nothing but the process of testing the application without using any automation tool and means like identifying the bugs in the software. That is called software testing. Key objectives of software testing include detecting and fixing bugs or errors, validating that the software meets user requirements, ensuring the application performs well under various conditions, verifying the security and reliability of the software. In simple terms, software testing ensures the delivery of a high quality product by identifying issues before it reaches to the end users. End users are nothing but the clients. So, this is the introduction of software testing. It is in full demand. There is a demand from clients as well. In earlier days, developers used to test the before 10 12 years, I can say, and developers only used to test the application after development. But nowadays, as there is a huge demand for a bug free, defect free software applications from the client, the software testers came into existence. Now there is a high demand. Now, introduction to manual testing. Manual testing is nothing but the process of testing an application without using any automation tool or scripts. The goal of manual testing is to identify the defects or bugs in the software by simulating end user behavior. For example, we can take anything. Guys, you go for the shopping, right? Purchasing something like t-shirt, like you can say t-shirt. If you are going to the shops or malls to purchase the t-shirt or pant, you can see all the requirements. Whatever your requirements are there, you will see that whether the pocket is there or not, whether the color is same or not, whether the t-shirt or pant teared anywhere or not. If there is a tear, that is called a defect in the pant or shirt. So same thing is there in the software applications. There are some bugs or defects that will be I will give the demo at the end. Now, introduction to automation testing. Automation testing is a testing process where test scripts and tools are used to automatically execute the test cases, compare actual results with the expected outcomes, and report the findings. The goal of automation testing is to increase the efficiency, effectiveness, and coverage of the testing process, particularly for repetitive and time consuming tasks, reusable and repetitive, that would be difficult to impractical or impractical to perform manually. So automation testing has a huge demand in the market also nowadays, because the client wants the software as soon as possible, means like so agile methodologies came into existence. The requirements are varying day by day. Like every sprint or every time, every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the client gives the new requirements. That is why they want the software as soon as possible in a short period of time. That is why automation testing came into existence. Now, why software testing has bugs or defects? Every software has bugs and defects, but why? So, software often has bugs or defects due to various factors related to the complexity of software development. Here are some key reasons why bugs occur in software. Human errors in code. The software is written by humans, right? The mistakes are a natural part of coding. Errors in logic, incorrect syntax, or assumptions about how parts of the software should work can lead to bugs. So human errors is one of the reason. Number two is complexity of software. Modern software applications are often large and complex with millions of lines of code. Managing such complexity increases the likelihood of errors, as even a small change in one part of the software can have unintended effects elsewhere in the other part of the software. If one bug is fixed, other will raise. This is the thing. Number three is changing requirements. So, as I told you, during development, clients or stakeholders may change their requirements frequently. Modifying code to accommodate these changes can introduce new bugs, especially if the changes are made without thorough testing. Number four is time constraints and deadlines. Tight deadlines can force developers to rush through coding and testing. This may lead to incomplete testing or skipped steps in quality assurance, increasing the chance of bugs slipping through. Number five is incomplete testing. Testing can be challenging, especially in complex applications with numerous test cases and conditions. It's often impossible to test very every possible scenario, so some defects may remain undiscovered. Number six is miscommunication in requirements. This is the important reason. Misunderstandings between developers, testers, and stakeholders can result in the software being built in a way that doesn't fully align with expectations of the client. This misalignment can lead to defects once the software is tested against user requirements. So guys, these are the various reasons why software testing has bugs or defects. Coming to next slide. What is quality in software testing? Quality is very important factor that that is in the software testing. Without quality, we cannot deliver the software to the clients. So, in software testing, quality refers to the degree to which a software product meets the requirements, expectations, and standards of its stakeholders, ensuring that it is reliable, efficient, and fit for use. Quality in software is achieved by validating that the software is free from defects, meets functional and non-functional requirements, and delivers a positive user experience. Some of the key aspects of software quality are functionality. Now, it should work without major errors and produce correct results. This is functionality. Now, reliability. The software should consistently perform as expected under defined conditions without failing or producing errors. Usability. The software is user friendly, intuitive, and easy to learn and navigate. Efficiency. Efficiency is crucial for ensuring that the software runs smoothly without causing performance issues, especially under heavy loads like load testing, stress testing, volume testing. There are many non-functional testing types are there. So that comes under efficiency. Portability is also a non-functional testing. The software can operate across different environments such as various operating systems or devices. Security. Security is one of the software qualities. The software should be protected against unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security threats. These are the quality. Why is quality important in software testing? Customer satisfaction. First one is customer satisfaction. High quality software improves user satisfaction by meeting or exceeding expectations. Cost savings. Reducing bugs early in development minimizes costs, costly post release fixes. So we have to find the bugs before test before, in the testing before going to development. Reducing bugs early in development. Brand reputation. Delivering reliable software strengthens trust and reputation in the market. Compliance. Many industries have regulatory standards that require software to meet specific quality criteria. In summary, quality in software testing is about delivering a product that is reliable, secure, efficient, and aligned with user needs. It's combination of meeting technical requirements and providing a seamless, valuable user experience. This is why quality is important in software testing. Challenges in software testing. Software testing is a critical part of the software development life cycle, but it comes with its own set of challenges. These challenges can arise due to technical, process related, or resource based limitations, and they often vary depending on the project's size, complexity, and requirements. Here are some of the key challenges faced in software testing. Managing changing requirements. It's like from client we get regular frequent changes from the clients. So managing them is a challenging thing. Number two is sufficient insufficient time and resources. Dealing with complex test environments. Ensuring adequate test coverage. Test data and test data privacy challenges. Test automation complexity. Secure testing and compliance. Communication and collaboration across teams. So these are the challenges in software testing. Now, software tester qualities. Each every software tester has some qualities so that they can find the defects and log them. A successful software tester needs a combination of technical, analytical, and interpersonal qualities to ensure the delivery of high quality software. Here are some key qualities that define a proficient software tester. First is analytical skills. Strong analytical skills enable testers to understand complex systems. This helps them break down software requirements into actionable test cases and think critically about each function's purpose and impact. Number two is curiosity and a break the code mindset. Testers should be naturally curious and approach the software with a critical, investigative mindset. Every software has to be a mindset of breakdown of code. Strong communication skills. Testers often need to communicate complex issues clearly to the developers and stakeholders. Good communication skills help them write clear bug reports, provide detailed feedback, and collaborate effectively with others. Now, technical skills and domain knowledge. These are important. Domain knowledge like finance, banking, healthcare is also important as it helps testers understand user expectations and regulatory requirements. Understanding of the SDLC and testing methodologies, SDLC and STLC, both problem solving skills, adaptability and flexibility, patience and perseverance. time management and prioritization, continuous learning attitude, self motivation, and proactiveness. So, these qualities should be there in a software tester to give the quality of product to the clients. So, this is all about software testing uh, introduction. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications whenever I post the videos. Thank you very much.